Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by measuring 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup water into a deep microwave-safe glass bowl. Stir in 2 tablespoons concentrated fruit juice for fruit flavor and 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar to prevent crystallization. Keep a heat-proof silicone spatula and a candy thermometer rated to 400 degrees F at hand. Set the thermometer clip on the bowl so it rests in the syrup. This prep takes 5 minutes and ensures the only way method moves quickly once heating starts. Place the bowl uncovered in the microwave and heat on high for 90 seconds, then remove and stir 15 seconds to dissolve sugar crystals. Repeat 90-second bursts with 15-second stirs. After 3 to 4 cycles, the syrup will boil vigorously. Monitor temperature constantly and stop heating when the candy thermometer reads 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage. Avoid excessive stirring during the final rise in temperature. Use oven mitts and a damp cloth under the bowl for stability. Timing varies by microwave power, but usually totals 6 to 8 minutes. When the syrup reaches 300 degrees F, remove from microwave and immediately stir in 1/2 teaspoons citric acid for tang or 1/8 teaspoons salt to balance sweetness. Add food coloring or essential oil drops now. Working fast, pour the hot syrup onto a silicone mat or into oiled plastic candy molds, filling each cavity and tapping molds to remove air bubbles. Let candies cool undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes until fully hard. Unmold or break into pieces, dust lightly with cornstarch if sticky, and store airtight at room.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.